Yo, this is Nathan Schmidt with Earl Owen Company. Good morning, everyone. Just pulled up at work, about to head inside, but I got some exciting news to share with everyone. I'm crossing my fingers that my lift kit and my wheels come in today. They're supposed to be here. I'm hoping they are. The lift kit is from Readylift Suspension, and the wheels are from Fuel Off-Road. Some of you may know, I've talked about this in previous videos. I got a new Toyota Tacoma. I'm gonna jack this thing up, put some sweet wheels on it, some big tires, and I can't wait to see how it looks. So let's go ahead and head inside and see if they're here. It's already sitting pretty good. It's gonna look even better. Get that lift kit on there and those 17-inch wheels. Those are the stock wheels right now. When I'm driving down the road, I'm running into other Tacomas that are sitting a lot higher than mine, so super excited to get this kit on. All right, let's go ahead and head inside. Before I head back, I gotta get some coffee, but that's my morning ritual, so. Ready here. Let's head back to the office here. Oh, that was hot. Ah, burnt my tongue. Hello? Oh, yeah? All right, thanks, man. I'll be back there. Oh, just got the good news. The lift kit and wheels are in. I'm excited. Can't wait to go check them out. Let's go check them out. Are you excited, bully dog? I thought you were. What's up? All right, I see them. Super excited. There they are. Check them out. Oh, yeah. Can I get this out of the way real quick? Oh, man. All right, I need a pallet jack. Can I use that? Yep. All right, cool. Grab this pallet jack. Now that I finally got the wheels and the lift kit in, we're gonna take this stuff, head over to the other warehouse. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about them. We're gonna unbox them, then head up to the tire shop and get the wheels and tires mounted. So with the stock tires that I have on here, on the Tacoma, they come with valve stem sensors to tell you how much tire pressure is in the tire. So they're gonna have to take the old valve stems off of my old wheels and then put them onto the new wheels. So we're gonna have that done and get the new tires mounted on the wheel. So let's check it out. All right, I just pulled up at the other warehouse here. I got the tires inside. We're gonna go ahead and grab one of these fuel wheel boxes and go in here and unbox it, as well as the lift kit. So let's check it out. Heck yeah. Excited to unbox these and see what they look like. So Phil Off-Road really hooked me up on these wheels right here. Let's go ahead and unbox them, show you what they look like. The style of this wheel is called block, fuel block. So the wheel comes nice and protected with a lot of padding. Go ahead and pull this padding off and show you the style. This is new for 2021. It's a matte black finish with a black ring. It also comes in gunmetal finish on the inside with a black ring around it. It's really nice. Excited to get these on the truck. All right, now that we looked at the wheels from Fuel Off-Road, let's go ahead and open up the lift kit from Readylift Suspension. This is an SST lift kit, 3-inch front, 2-inch rear, and it fits 2005 to 2021 Toyota Tacomas, TRD model, SR5 model, and the Warrior model. I want to thank Readylift Suspension for hooking it up with this SST lift kit, and Feel Off-Road for these sick wheels. I can't wait to see how they increase the stance of my truck and just make it overall that much better. I got some tires in the back of the truck right now. Let's go ahead and head over to the tire shop and get them mounted on these wheels. Let's head out. All right, we're here at the tire shop. Got the wheels in the back, the tires here. Let's go ahead and head inside and see what they can do for us. Get these tires mounted on. Okay guys, we got the tires mounted on the wheels and these things look awesome. Feel Off-Road has done it again. Check them out. I can't wait to get these things mounted on my truck. They're gonna look sweet. Tune in next week for the big reveal. We're gonna install the SST lift kit from Readylift, and then we're gonna mount these wheels and tires and see how it looks. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button, and please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Remember to tune in every Friday for more truck related content like this. See y'all next week. This looks like a hairnet. The lunch lady, Slappy Joe for you. I want to thank, I'm excited to get this on the truck.